Hi, I'm Dave Fennoy, and I'm bringing my workshop, Voice Acting for Video Games, to Los Angeles. I know, finally. It's going to be happening on July 14th and 15th, Saturday and Sunday, at Bang Zoom Entertainment on Magnolia. Now, I have taught this course all over the country, even in London several times, to great success. But I bet you want to know what some of my students might say about the course. Well, here you go.
Hi, Shelley Avellino here, Dave Fennoy's class on video games. Absolutely fantastic class. He's got this knack of getting stuff out of you didn't even know was inside.
I learned so much about character building and the steps to creating believable characters, and I would highly suggest doing this class.
I will say it was a wonderful experience all around. Dave worked with me to help both identify my strengths and also challenge me to overcome my weaknesses.
I'm the director with the Seattle Voice Institute. We were honored to have Dave come up and do a guest appearance teaching, and he is an exceptionally good teacher. We're going to recommend that all of our students study with him.
Video Games Workshop. I've wanted to do this for a very long time. Dave is a very generous teacher. He's very gentle with you, but he's also very good at bringing out the good stuff, like the stuff that you didn't even know was there. And
I feel like it helped me identify my weaknesses and my strengths, things that I could work on, how to sound more natural, which is what we all want to do. And
I've been wanting to take Dave Fennoy's class for many years. I heard nothing but great things. My expectations were set exceedingly high, and they were exceeded. I can't believe
We've been doing Dave Fennoy's course, and it's absolutely awesome. And to not want to use a cliche, he really has taught us how to bring the words to life and to...
And not only would I take this class again, but I actually took it last year, so I am taking it again.
It's just been incredible, the amount that I've learnt, the stuff that I can take straight into the booth, and I just feel like I've improved dramatically just in the time that I've spent with him there. He's an inspiring man.
Dave honed in on exactly what I need to work on, and I'm going to continue to work on it. I feel so great now, and words are just the beginning.
Very informative. I feel like there were one-liners that gave me the full value of what I invest in this course, and I feel like I got more on top of that.
I promise you're going to learn a lot and have a lot of fun. Voice Acting for Video Games, 2-day workshop, Saturday and Sunday, July 14th and 15th at Bang Zoom Entertainment on Magnolia. Now, if you'd like to sign up, go to my website, davefennoy.com, click on the tab at the top, Study VO, and sign yourself up. And if you do before June 15th, you'll save yourself $50. Voice Acting for Video Games, Saturday and Sunday, July 14th and 15th with me, Dave Fennoy. See ya.